Moko Technology Limited is an expert at LoRaWAN sensors, nodes, and gateways manufacturing based in Shenzhen, China. We provide comprehensive IoT solutions in LoRaWAN, BLE beacons, and smart Wi-Fi plug, including mechanical design, hardware design, and embedded software, as well as off-the-shelf LoRaWAN sensors, nodes, and gateways. Moreover, we have our own factory for self-productions and OEM, PCB, PCBA projects. Our service ranges from prototype service, technical consultation, material sourcing, PCB assembly, cone formal coating, washing, in-circuit test, function test, burn-in test, environment test, logistics, and after-sales service. We always strive to provide the best service to our customers with creative solutions and stable product quality. We have served many well-known customers who focus on IoT solutions and platform provide. Our products are mainly applied in the smart agriculture, smart ranching, smart city, smart building, smart industry, smart logic and supply chain, and other fields. With years of experience, we have gained a good reputation among clients in LoRaWAN solution for reasonable prices, rich resources, and punctual delivery. Our manufacturing facilities include clean workshops and advanced high-speed SMT lines. We have got the ISO 9001:2015 UL and ROHS certifications. And we will carry on the management concept of superior quality, service-oriented, reputation first, to provide the best service in production and sales to our global customers. We're looking forward to being your long-term trust LoRaWAN ecosystem partner.